This vase is broken. I think I may have to get rid of it. I'm watering my orchid. But this wonderful vase is no good. What a waste. Let me see if I can fix it. The potter wants to put you back together again. Oh, the potter wants to put you back together again. You who were broken, step out. You who need mended, step out. Oh, the potter wants to put you back together again. Oh, the potter wants to put you back together again. This orchid is very healthy. Look at the leaves. Nice and shiny. I just had an idea. Cords. I have some cords. I ordered these cords from Shein since last year or early this year to do a project. And I think I'll bind up that vase with cord. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna restore. I'll restore that broken vase with cord. There's a song that says, bind us together, Lord, bind us together with cord that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, Lord, bind us together in love. So, right now, it's looking like this. But I'm gonna think of something. Because when cords are bind together, they are very strong. Ideas. I'm thinking. Let's see. Oh, these cords are very tangled. I have to untangle them. I'm gonna make it into a rope. What a tangled web I have created. Love. I didn't start the unraveling process properly. binding up the wound. It's just gonna be a little rough patch. I have bound up its wound, and now the healing process will begin. Next step. There's no more cut because I bandage it. It has bandages all over. Solid, but not